Brachiosaurus, one of the most iconic giants of the Jurassic world, stands today as a symbol of Earth's ancient age of titans. More than 154 million years ago, long before humans ever appeared, these towering dinosaurs roamed the vast floodplains and fern-filled forests of what is now North America. Their immense size, graceful necks, and unusual body structure made them unlike any other sauropod. Unlike most long-necked dinosaurs, whose front legs were shorter than their hind legs, Brachiosaurus walked on limbs that resembled immense pillars, with its front legs longer than its back ones. This unique build tilted the creature upward, lifting its small head high into the canopy like a living skyscraper, with a height equivalent to a four-story building. Brachiosaurus could browse treetops untouched by any other herbivore, accessing a world of food beyond the reach of rival dinosaurs. Its long neck, spanning nearly 9 meters, was not flexible like a snake's, but strong, muscular, and perfectly suited to sweeping across tall branches, stripping leaves with its spoon-shaped teeth. In the late Jurassic landscape, Brachiosaurus moved slowly but steadily, traveling in small herds that offer protection through sheer size. Each adult weighed between 50 and 70 tons, more than a modern blue whale on land. Their massive hearts pumped blood with extraordinary force, pushing it all the way up the long neck to the brain. Scientists believe the heart may have weighed more than 400 kilograms, beating with a steady rhythm of a machine built by nature to sustain life on a colossal scale. Despite their intimidating size, these giants were peaceful creatures. Their days were spent walking across riverbanks, forest edges, and open floodplains, feeding almost constantly. Their enormous bodies required an enormous amount of plant matter. Conifers, ginkgos, cycads, seed ferns, and early tree species that dominated the Jurassic forests. As they walked, their steps shook the ground softly, like distant thunder rolling across the land. The world Brachiosaurus inhabited was warm, humid, and lush, filled with towering trees and rich vegetation. Sauropods like Apatosaurus and Diplodocus grazed lower plants, while Brachiosaurus fed higher in the canopy, creating a layered ecosystem where each herbivore had its own niche. In this thriving environment, life flourished in remarkable diversity. Giant predators such as Allosaurus and Torvosaurus lurked in the shadows, but even these fierce carnivores rarely targeted a healthy adult Brachiosaurus. The sheer size of the sauropod made it nearly invincible. Only the weak, the young, or the injured faced any real danger. For a predator, attacking a giant of such scale was a deadly gamble. Even a single swing of Brachiosaurus's tail or a defensive push from its massive torso could fatally injure an attacker. Thus, the presence of Brachiosaurus shaped the balance of power in the Jurassic ecosystem. Young Brachiosaurus, however, faced a very different life. Hatchlings emerged from eggs no larger than a modern soccer ball, astonishingly small compared to the giants they would become. Their early years were filled with danger from predators, harsh weather, and competition for food. Scientists believe juvenile Brachiosauruses may have lived in groups separate from adults, feeding on lower vegetation and growing rapidly during their first few decades. By adulthood, they were among the largest land animals ever known, a testament to the incredible growth rates nature engineered into sauropods. Their bones, filled with air sacs to reduce weight, resemble the internal structure of modern birds, an evolutionary connection that ties dinosaurs to living animals even today. Fossils of Brachiosaurus were first discovered in the Rocky Mountain region in the early 20th century, at a time when paleontology was rapidly growing. When scientists unearthed its long limbs and towering vertebrae, they immediately recognized that this creature was unlike anything previously discovered. Its unusual skeletal proportions led to its name, meaning arm lizard, referring to the elongated forelimbs. Over time, discoveries of related species in Africa led to confusion, and for decades, many people believed the African Giraffatitan was another type of Brachiosaurus. Modern science has since separated the two, giving each its rightful place in dinosaur history. Yet, both remain symbols of sauropod grandeur and monumental evolutionary achievement. Through biomechanical studies, scientists have gained insights into how Brachiosaurus lived. Its nostrils, once thought to be atop the head for underwater breathing, are now understood to be positioned differently, and we know these giants did not live in swamps. Instead, they thrived on solid land, using their immense bodies to dominate the environment. Its long neck, once debated as being used to reach high treetops or sweep across wide ground areas, likely served both roles, giving Brachiosaurus extraordinary access to food without needing to move constantly. This efficient feeding method explains how such enormous creatures sustained themselves. They didn't chew food like mammals. Instead, they swallowed leaves whole, relying on their massive digestive systems and fermentation to break down tough plant fibers. Today, Brachiosaurus continues to fascinate the world. It often appears in films, books, museum exhibits, and educational programs, symbolizing the golden age of dinosaurs. Paleontologists still uncover new information about sauropod biology growth patterns, and behavior, allowing science to continually reshape our understanding of these giants. Every fossil, every bone, every footprint contributes another piece of the puzzle, revealing how life thrived in the Jurassic world. The legacy of Brachiosaurus endures as a reminder of Earth's extraordinary past, a time when titans walked the land, forests grew to unimaginable heights, and ecosystems functioned on a scale far beyond anything seen today. In the quiet of their ancient world, beneath the shadow of towering trees and drifting clouds, Brachiosauruses live out lives of incredible magnitude. Their story is a testament to the power of evolution, the resilience of life, and the majesty of the natural world. Even though they vanished 145 million years ago, their bones whisper across time, telling us a planet once ruled by giants. Giants whose footsteps shaped the land, and whose presence transformed the very history of life on Earth.